How to close EQ Bank Account, 2025. To close your EQ Bank account, you must contact their customer care team by phone or via live chat. There are no fees to close an account, but you should take steps beforehand to remove any funds and settle outstanding transactions. How to close your account. Transfer all funds out of the accounts. Before initiating the closure, move all your money to a linked external account. If you are closing a notice savings account, be aware of the required notice period for withdrawals. Contact customer care, by phone, call 1-844-437-2265, 844-4EQ Bank, to speak with an agent. By live chat, launch the live chat feature to connect with an agent online. Confirm the closure type. Let the agent know if you want to close just one specific account or if you want to close all your accounts to end your relationship with EQ Bank. Confirm the transfer of any remaining funds. In the event that a small balance remains, EQ Bank may send the funds to a linked account via EFT or mail a check to the address on file. Thanks for watching.